Hey, what's up guys? This is Evan, also known as AT Lubeck, coming at you with an Atlanta spotting video. Sorry if you can't hear me or if there's a lot of wind, I apologize. So yeah, so we're out here today. It's September 24th, 2016, and we are at Atlanta Airport doing some spotting. We got a list of some aircrafts coming in, some heavies, so we're gonna try to get those. And yeah, so this is going to be an awesome video, and I hope you guys stick around and check it out. We have a 757 over here. So taxiing over non-winglet 75. Let's see how close I can get to him. Yeah, awesome. And we shall wait for more. That is the motto, we wait. So, see you in the next clip. Lufthansa! There he is. He's early. Oh, he's sporting the Star Alliance livery. Oh, that's awesome. A340-300. Awesome. Oh, and there's a Sky Team right behind him. Looks like a 737-800. Awesome catch. That's what I'm talking about.
How do you know that's a Lufthansa?
Because I just know. Just trust me on that one. Sorry for the poor camera work I'm eating. Welcome to Atlanta, Mr. Lufthansa. Star Alliance. Wow. It's an A340-300. Thanks for the Star Alliance livery, Mr. Lufthansa. Here we go. Who do we have here? It's like a 737 of some sort. Oh, a little 700. Oh, that's awesome. Ah, nice 700 for us, and Lufthansa's still waiting. Up now, here he goes. We will go back to the gate, and then over here we have a Star Alliance 737-800. That's nice. And we got another plane back out there for a nice arrival. Let's see who that is. Oh, here he comes. There he is. Awesome. Let's get a close-up on this guy. Nice. Beautiful aircraft. Thing's huge. Nice. See, we have another bird landing back here. I don't know who that is. See, we missed a couple. Maybe a 757 looks like. Or is that a 7.6? That looks like a 7.6. Hey! Nice. Not sure what flight this is. Not sure if it's an international or like a West Coast flight. Nice. Welcome to Atlanta, Mr. 767. And another one stacked out here. This guy looks decent. Decent size. That's a big plane. Sorry. Is that Air France? No. That is a big plane. It looks really big. Please tell me that's Air France. Looks like it. Air France! That's him! Air France 777-300ER. That's a massive aircraft. Wow. Air France, one after another today. That's awesome. Welcome to Atlanta, Mr. Air France. Here we have the 76. He's gonna come over here our way. And then Mr. Air France is also taxiing over here. Wow. Oh, wait till he's way bigger than this guy. 767-300 ER right in front of us. Dang, that's huge. Here he comes. Jeez. Wow. We got American Eagle E170. This is a little guy. Maybe from Chicago. Off. Who is this? Is this our first A321? No, I don't know. What is that? Hey! If I get in the frame. A321. Ha! Spirit. Here we got a Spirit A320 Southwest there. The Starklets looks like, yeah, A320 probably, or 19. Who knows where this guy's coming from? He's probably late, so we'll just, or is that an A321? That, oh, no way. Tell me that's a Spirit A321. Some Delta big guys back there just parked. Here we got a Spirit A321. Can't really miss him. Nice. Late, so that's why he's kind of taxing fast. All right, go to your gate, Spirit. American's here. He's taxiing over. It's like an A320 something. Yeah. There's another plane landing in the background right there. It's like a little 7.5 or something. Is that an A321 or an Airbus? I hope that's an Airbus. A321. Please tell me. Yes, jackpot. It's probably coming in from like Orlando or Fort Lauderdale. One of Delta's newest babies. The old little toddler still. He will be out here for, it's nice seeing these guys. So I shall check his registration and see how old he is. Oh, no way! Is that Lufthansa cargo? Hell yeah! 777 Lufthansa cargo. Awesome. What a beast. Nice. Now that will spice up your day. Lefty cargo. Don't know where he's coming from. Nice. Delta A321, this thing's brand new. Registration November 1. Yep, this is the newest one. That's a nice puppy. Little toddler. Who's departing now? An Airbus. This is a 737. Or is it? Wait, yeah. Are you freaking kidding me? It's another A321, I think, or is it 7.5? Yeah, that one behind it. I cannot see why they would put them on the north side, like seriously. Another A321. This is another of Delta's new aircrafts. It's nice. Here's a 757 landing. Smooth. Okay, where's all my cargoes at? Where are you hiding, Eva Air? Uh-oh.